Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to link Payoneer to eBay. So first of all, make sure that you downloaded the Payoneer and make sure that you downloaded the eBay so you can follow along these steps, right? So what I'm going to do after you download the eBay and Payoneer, go ahead to your browser and basically under the selling drop down menu on the left, click payments and then click add payment option, and then verify your phone number and payout currency and choose whether you want an individual account or a company account and sign in to your Payoneer account. So basically that's how you link your Payoneer to your eBay account. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.